guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Princess Peach on Dress to Impress. So I'm going to remove everything except for the accessory adjustment. You need the flower petal dress for this as well. So I use this hair in this color FFC521, positioned the Y at 0.48, the Z at 0.64. I think I might bring it a little bit more forward actually. So like this. So you can see the earrings. And then I also use this in the normal adjustments, and I also use this in bangs only, positioned at the same scale as 0.61. Then I use this hair in wavy. In wavy, I mean in yellow, positioned as at 0.57. For the earrings, I use the pearl earrings at 63A489 and positioned the Z at 0.38 and scaled it down to 0.39. For the crown, I use two crowns. I use this from VIP, colored it gold and kind of like a red color. First toggle, positioned the Z at 0.48. Then I use this crown from Coats. Same color, but the second one is blue. Positioned the Y at 0.44, Z 0.48. And then for the top, I am going to use this top here. If I can just find it. Is it this one? Okay, it is. Remove the bow, the lace, and the details. And then we're just going to color this color. I know it's like not the exact like color, but I'm going to just use this one. And then I'll do gold for the outer part and then this blue for the inside part. I know I didn't do this top, like I just colored it all pink, but I think I prefer it like this. And then for this skirt, use this one in this pink color, and then the second one this darker pink. Then I'm going to also use this one in that lighter pink, and then the rest is that like darker pink. Then we are going to grab the petal dress, which is here. Select the Queen of Flowers and then turn off the silver top. And I'm just going to color it this like pink color. I'm going to add that as well. And I'm going to add then the pink color again. Then for the sleeves, I'm going to add this on in that same peach color, pink, peach, and then select the gloves, make it without the fur, and that is it. You can add an umbrella if you'd like to, but I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!